Welcome back. This is another video on our channel, and this is part of a series, Learn HTML the Right Way. And if you've been following the series, you'll notice that I want to believe you are just enjoying it. So this time around, we will be discussing about the structure of an HTML document. So in our last video, we are able to create this. So but what does an HTML document looks like so that your browser can understand it? Don't forget, we are creating a web page so that your browser can understand it proper. So the first thing you have to declare here on your page is to tell your browser that this is an HTML document. So to do that, just type less than, let me make this bigger so that you can see it well. So less than, then exclamation, then you have your doc type. So now this is to tell the browser that this document is an HTML document. So the next thing you do is that you open another tag and you type HTML, then you close it. So this section now is the one that is going to contain all your HTML code. So your HTML document, that is everything inside this HTML tag, now is going to be in two major sections, the head and the body. So the head aspect of it contains information about the page, link to a document that the page will need to work, and all of those things. Then the body is that real thing that is going to show on your page for the user to see. So let's come here and let's say head. So I define the head, then I come here, say body. So here is for the page, information about the page, and we have the body where we're going to put everything needed by the everything that will be seen by the user. So how do we make sure that this is shown in our browser? That is, how can we preview our work as we are going? So you need to go back to the document, that is to the folder you created previously. So you come here on this in this folder. So you just do, you open it in your browser. You will notice nothing is showing on the page now, nothing is showing. So let's go back to our code editor. So let's come back to this bodies aspect. So let's create a heading. So h1 tag, which is just heading tag. So let's say welcome to my website. So save it, then let's come back. You will notice nothing is showing, so let's refresh. So we have welcome to my website. So now here is showing the name of the file, that is index.html. so let's try to change that one also, just like I told you the other time that this what's it called, the head is to contain information about the page. So you just have to open a tag, say title. So we want to define the title of the page, so we can say my website. So save it, let's come back to the page, let's refresh. So you can now see that we have the name of the website here. So that is that. This is just a basic structure of an HTML document. So in the video coming, we're going to discuss more on that. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video, share it with other people, and if you've not subscribed on the channel, do well to subscribe. Thank you so much. Meet you in another release.